Hi guys, so in today's video we are going to tackle this new YouTube update problem where it's saying that users need to use the web browser version because the app won't work on their devices. So please do consider subscribing and hopefully we can get to the bottom of this. Now, I'll share with you the solutions that I found and hopefully they work. So one that I know only works temporarily is to completely delete the app and reinstall it, or going to Play Store and updating the app if you are not on the latest version. Why I say this is temporary? Because once you close YouTube, you'll be faced with the exact same problem. So it'll be a case of continuously reinstalling YouTube. Another option is to clear the cache. Again, every time you want to open YouTube, you're going to have to go into your app settings and clear the cache. Again, this can be pretty annoying. Hopefully this is not Google's move to try and get everybody on the latest version of Android, because it will fail miserably for them. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If we do find more solutions, we'll drop them on this page. Do consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next one.